Hi everyone, in this video I'll explain eMoving, Tenkyo, and the mail forwarding service, Tenso, after you move in Japan, clearly and step by step. It's quick, online, and best done early. Big picture, start here. The flow is simple. Submit your change of address online, Tenkyo, then the mail forwarding service starts. You can apply 24/7, it's free, and the forwarding period is 1 year from the filing date. It can take as little as about 5 minutes, so it's a great do it now, relax later task. What's the difference? eMoving, or Tenkyo, is the online application to file your change of address. The mail forwarding service forwards mail from your old address to your new address for 1 year. A note, only items handled by Japan Post are eligible, and also forwarding may start about 1 week after acceptance, so apply early once your move is confirmed. Before you start, you only need a few things. Log in with a verified UID. If it's not verified yet, you may be asked to verify online during the process. Prepare your old address and new address and your move date. You can include up to 6 people in one application, such as family members living with you. Step 1. Open Tenkyo. Start from the website or the Japan Post app. Choose Apply for a new change of address, then review the terms and consent items. Use the official guide link shown on the slide. Step 2. Log in with UID. Next, log in with your UID. If you're not verified yet, you'll be prompted to verify during the application. Have your login email and password ready. Security tip, avoid public Wi-Fi, use the official site or app, and don't log in from suspicious links. Always check the URL. Step 3. Enter details and submit. Enter your old address, new address, and move date, then review and submit to complete, and you can also save your progress and continue later. Once submitted, your eMoving application is done. Next, let's confirm when forwarding starts and key precautions. After you apply, start and verification. Here are the key points. The forwarding period is 1 year from the filing date. The start time may take about a week after acceptance. Japan Post may verify your move via a visit or by leaving a notice letter. Also, don't rely only on forwarding. Update your address directly with banks, credit cards, insurance, and other important services. Check application status. There are 2 ways to check status. If you applied via e-Tenkyo, log in with UID to see details. If you applied on paper, use your receipt number. Use the status page link shown on the slide. Final checklist. Final check. Submitted e-Tenkyo correctly, including household members. Checked your application status. Updated your address with key organizations. Remember, only items handled by Japan Post are eligible for forwarding. If you need help, use the FAQ and official pages. This will greatly reduce the "where did my mail go" problem after moving.